Okay, so we're on the other side. This seal popped real easy, and this is how it sits. This side is facing in the shallows, the side that has like that indent. It's facing in. We got a replacement ring right there in our kit. So, and then inside, we're gonna get some serious cleaning going on. Those bearings we're not gonna be replacing, so. And I think there is one more seal actually. Probably is this seal right here, but that is not included in the kit. Very interesting. I don't have that in my kit. I have just show you. In my kit I have 2 bearings, 3 large bearings. This is that seal that we just tucked on the other side of the thing. And there's a little here bearing, but I don't know where it goes. We'll find out. One more little seal and 2 other rubber seals, which I have no idea where they go. So we're gonna keep digging and see what else is there to be changed and how to change it. More to come.